Hello guys, Train Clips HD here. Welcome to the latest video, and today I'm at Castle Cary on the Reading to Taunton branch of the Great Western Mainline. Here is 43132, which is leading the helm. 132! Here is 43132, which is leading the helm of the 0940 Great Western Railway service from Plymouth to London Paddington. This was our service that brought me in from Plymouth, Jake in from Tiverton, and Sean in from Taunton. So anyway, joining me here is SFTFan1909 and Great Western Trains, so go and check out their channels as they do make some great content. So yes, we'll see this bit go out, we'll see this train go out in a minute. Let's see what's next, here at Castle Cary. Okay, departing now is 43132, which is leading the helm of the 0940 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Plymouth. The service that brought me in, like I said. Here it goes. So also I've got another bit of information to tell you as well about another service. Oh, nah, that's rubbish. And on the rear, 43189. And look at that view. That view is absolutely fantastical. So also another bit of news as well. The 1042, that was a poster pass here, is now calling here. Very funny. Yeah, so the 1042, that's poster pass here, is now going to call here. I'm not sure why it's additionally calling here, but...
Excuse me, shut up.
Kieran Whitehead, be quiet.
Shut up.
Okay,
Shut up.
let's see what's next here at Castle Cary.
Shut up.
Okay, coming now with a platform alterated service is the 0948 Great Western Railway service to Gloucester from Weymouth.
The 0948 Great Western Railway service to Gloucester via Westbury Bar and Bristol Temple Meads. Train calls at
150, is that 102 I can see?
I don't know.
Oh, see it when it goes out. Okay, departing now is the 0948 Great Western Railway service to Gloucester from Weymouth with a green 150 on the rear. 150, 102. Here she goes. $150,246. And we'll probably see that come back a bit later. We'll probably see it at Bruton, which was our next station of the day to film at.
Final station of the day.
Or the next and final station to film it today.
Good photo opportunities that it's hanging.
Yeah, this view is pretty good.
Not very cool to snap our photograph.
Okay, let's see what's next. We can't stand there and just film a sprinter forever and ever.
Why?
Okay, our next train to come in is the 0953 Great Western Railway service to Weymouth from Worcester Shrub Hill, which is probably going to be a future station for me, hopefully, one day. $158,763. And there's Sean poking his tongue out. I don't think anything has changed there. Okay. And he says that now. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, departing now is the 0953 Great Western Railway service to Weymouth from Worcester Shrub Hill. 158 763.
I don't believe you.
It's 158763. So
I think it's 766.
it's 763. You've seen it in the first clip.
Cock.
Let's just keep that off camera, shall we?
No.
Yeah.
Actually, let's not show it on camera, you're right.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Well done.
We can have it off camera now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can do what we want off camera.
Yeah. How big does your mouth open?
Oh my. You'll find out. No, that's just not cool.
You can't even see it anymore.
Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, coming in now is the 1002 Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's from London Paddington.
I'm going to go HFT-fan1909 Exeter St David's.
Exeter St David's.
Calling it Taunton and Tivy on the way.
Going at Taunton Tiverton Park going next to St David's. We'll see us come back through later actually. Great tone from the driver. 43097 with an Environment Agency nameplate. Great tone off the driver as well. They haven't got window labels, I'm disgusted. No, not happy, not happy, not happy. No, not happy. Look, my favourite Coach K. Well done, you can count. Yeah. Huh?
183.
And on the rear is 43183. We'll see this go out in a minute. Okay, departing now is the 1002 Great Western Railway service to Exeter St David's from London Paddington.
Without window labels.
Without window labels, I'm absolutely disgusted.
They not.
Yes, I am.
You paid
Oh man, you should see my mind.
Hey.
43183 on the rear.
You know the bird strikes that happened when Kieran was at Bruton? Looks like that's going to happen with your face.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Sean loves me really.
Cop.
And he also loves that as well.
Lovely.
Lovely little view. There's also a tamper unit there as well.
8 photos left in there. Not take any more.
Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, about to pass through now. It's the 1028 pass from London Paddington to Plymouth. Hopefully it should be thundering through, I don't know. It's not on cautions, it's on a green. Yeah, it's thundering. It's giving the beans. Look at you go. And 43136. And that's off to Plymouth from London Paddington.
Lucky catch.
Well done. Okay, let's see what's next. Guys, also what I forgot to say in the intro, this is on the Great Western Mainline and also on the Heart of Wessex line.
You said that though.
No, I did. I said just Great Western Mainline. I don't think I said Heart of Wessex line, but I'm saying it now. Yes, it's the Heart of Wessex line to Weymouth.
It's also that new line they built between here and Barry.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, additionally calling now is the 1042 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington from Penzance. This is additionally calling here. I'm not 100% sure why. Nice wave. Nice wave. 43003 with the Eisenbar Kingdom Brunel nameplate. Okay, so you just want to go out in a minute. Okay, departing now is 43003. Is a Barn Kingdom Brunel nameplate, which is leading the helm of 1042 Great Western Railway service from Penzance to London Paddington, which is additionally calling here. Not 100% sure why, but I will try and get some information about that. Yeah, exactly. You just copied me there. Oh. I was lost for words and I just copy people. This is a fantastic station. I do love this station.
This is the second time I filmed it, as you remember, in February last year on the video here. Only spent about an hour and a half here that time, but still was good. I had some sandwich trains in my last video, so.
I didn't know you filmed here before.
Oh yeah. It was only like 3 minutes long, so I only stayed here for like an hour.
Oh right.
I got Southwest trains
Hey,
here,
there it is.
Then the then the Cornishman back.
Oh lovely. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, coming out is the 1103 Great Western Railway service to Weymouth from Gloucester. 159.38. We've got a -9 unit. About time. Okay, we'll see you in a minute. Okay, departing now is the 1103 Great Western Railway service to Weymouth from Gloucester. Gloucester to Weymouth. 159.38. Okay, I guess let's see what's next here at Castle Cary, or Castle Cary is also known. Okay, passing through now. (43.162) and 43.128, which is on the London Paddington to Penzance. Okay, for the remainder of this video is pretty much passing services. Let's see what's next. Okay, for the final train of the day we have a passing service. Great tone. Just and 43131, which is running a Penzance London Paddington service, which was the 1001 off Plymouth. So, as she passes through, I shall be ending my Castle Cary video here. So, thank you for watching my Castle Cary video. If you've liked what you've seen here at Castle Cary, then please do like and subscribe. My next station will be Bruton, just along the line. Joining me here is Great Western Trains for SFTFan1909 with his tongue out. Don't think anything's changed there. So yeah, in my opinion, Castle Cary has been an absolutely fantastic station. There is quite a few long waits, but I do admit that. But I do highly recommend it. I think you lot would enjoy it. So, hello. Okay, yeah, so like I said, my next station will be Bruton, which is just along the line. So I shall see you all. Take care, guys, and goodbye. I'll see the 12:21 coming in.
Cock.
Yeah, we'll see the 12:21 coming in,
Cock.
and then I'll end the actual video there.
Cock.
So let's see what's next.
Cock.
And
Cock.
take care, guys, and
Cock.
goodbye.